Ways to purchase real estate with $0. Title: 5 ways to buy real estate with $0 down. Think you need thousands to buy real estate? Here are 5 ways to start with literally $0 down. 1. House hacking. Buy a small multi-unit property, live in one unit and rent the others. Your tenant's rent pays your mortgage. You live free and build equity. 2. Seller financing. Negotiate directly with the seller to pay them in installments instead of using a bank. No bank equals no down payment in many cases. 3. Partnerships. Bring the deal or management skills while your partner brings the money. You split profits, no cash needed from you. 4. Lease option. Rent a property with the right to buy later. You control it now, profit from appreciation later, all with no upfront money. 5. BRRRR method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Use other people's money, private or hard money lenders, then refinance once it's fixed up. Close. You don't need money to start in real estate. You need strategy. Follow, like, share, and subscribe for more wealth building tips.